Keep coming straight back.
A little more to the left, easy now.
Size and color are perfect. No blemishes on this batch. Standards are looking perfect.
Let's increase the rotation for this batch.
System check is complete. All tanks are operational. Precision meets efficiency. Advanced automation ensures perfect filling. Every detail is carefully monitored, delivering.
These seals are absolutely perfect. Stack these on the lower rack, please.
How many pallets for the Texas shipment?
I have the manifest right here. Let's check the count. Clear the pallet jack. All right, next one is ready to go.